Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this wavy voluminous hairstyle in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle from the petal update, and then we're going to make it back and remove all the flowers. And for the color, you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, oops, I'm going to remove all the flowers. Alright, and then we're going to choose this one. I'm going to color it with the same color. Okay, and we're going to do little adjustment for this hairstyle. Okay, this is for the position, rotate, and scale. The next one guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with the same color and do little adjustment. You can position it like this and then rotate it like this, and for the scale just leave it like that. Alright, and then I'm going to go back and we're going to choose this bangs and apply the same color. I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then we're going to go to the curly hair and choose this hairstyle, color it with the same color, and then you're going to choose no bangs. Okay, wait, let me change the color for the first selection and for the second selection. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create wavy voluminous hairstyle in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.